Andipha Diva wahlala kuntolongo yakhe uhlaba kuntolongo wena ye-unemployment zizojika izinto zamakambo nentolongo yakho. Hallelujah. For goodness ehlele eThongweni Rakhaya Salasa wahlala wazinza ehlele nabene nebheko into abantu baphuma kephuma ngabizwa kufana wabuya ngafana. Hallelujah. What do you know what? Promote away. Every time uzadlula kubakhulu bakho udlule doda udlule kuba-Ismayeli udlule kukaFaro udlule entolongweni asiyaphakanyiswa wazindehlele ezi zinto ukuthi kufuna utshintsha ibali lakho lizotshintshwa yindoda lizotshintshwa intolongo lizotshintshwa abakhulu bakho lizotshintshwa kukaFaro. Ingxaki yakho wena uyayibalekela ingqondo ngxaki yakho wena ufuna into zilunge kanti zikudlula. It after intolongo what you say? You know what? The position is so bad. But the time Joseph was sent over with, why you full skills to fight the enemy? Because Amayi put the enemy, Yama Israel. We are people. Why full the skills? But we have to start with what come back and then go to another time. But Tata Joseph, but Sarah will tell them we are. And Amayi put, we have full the laws. Say you put. Who's a fruity laws? The enemy, the opposition. We are deep. You're in the fire, you are Satan. You are fruity tricks, Satan. It problem is Satan. You father with the long way. And I ask you, I fruit of fruity tricks. Who's a little Satan? Who's a Kabuka? Who's a Let us start a let us